right, so here we are. We just left. You can point over there where the exit is from Aulani, or the entrance. And we're going to walk to the ABC market with Mom this morning. We'll just kind of show you, because it's the closest off-site store near here. So it's a pretty walk, as you can see. We're still on a Aulani property. We still have the little waterfall and all the. And then there's a golf course over there, straight ahead. You can see on the other side. A lot of people over there go golfing. Look at all the money.
Oh, yeah.
See, look. People make a wish, throw money in there. I think they donate it. They clear it.
Oh, yeah.
To something, somebody. So anyway, we just decided we'd take a walk. It's not that far, but for someone, if you want to get something, I don't know, you can even get food there. We usually order our food from the car. Walk carefully this way. Go this way. Anyway, so if we usually order Instacart. We actually ordered a big Costco order, and then you can order from, what are the different stores here? Safeway is probably one of the most popular, but there's Target. We can order from Walgreens. We've already done that. Somebody needed some medicine type stuff, so they ordered that. So good morning. So what do you say? Aloha. Anyway, so we use Instacart for a lot. We've already ordered a few times from them, and when we first came here, we got a few things. So, but if you are thinking like, gosh, I'd like some milk or whatever,
Yeah.
and then they also have, you'll see when we get in there. There's a variety of things in there. So,
have you picked?
and it's not too far to walk. So, like I said, Mom's walking it, so it's not too bad. And then, like I said, there's the golf course across the street. And let's let these people go.
Okay.
Here.
Thank you.
Gorgeous weather today. I don't know. It's, what do you say, Ben? Maybe going to be 80 something today?
Probably.
Yeah. And it's not very humid. It's just about right. Yeah. Pleasant Hawaiian weather. But I get a kick over here with the golfing over there. They got the golf carts. A lot of people go over there first thing in the morning and go golfing. But it's a pretty walk. Ooh, good, nice car.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see a lot of nice cars here. It's interesting with the homes that we went on a tour yesterday. All the homes are on stilts. So, but she said it's because they have these tsunami or high water, and she said they keep their home, they just rebuild. I thought that was interesting, but yeah, they're used to it. It's built it up on a stilt high, and then so that was kind of fun to see that yesterday. I'm gonna let these people take that side. What do you say, Ben? About how long of a walk is it? We're walking
It's about 5 minutes for the average person.
for the average person. We're walking kind of slow. Just taking it easy over here, but I love these trees. They're just beautiful. The trees are very pretty. We saw some yesterday when we were at the pineapple plantation. She called it a rainbow tree because the bark, it looks like somebody took crayons and colored it. And it's multicolored, the bark is. And she said, we didn't do it, but she said if you peel off the bark and crumble it up, she said it smells just like potpourri. Look at it.
You got in front of me.
Yeah, I don't.
Colin's going off road. Go ahead. Want to go putt?
Oh, sorry. outside, of course. Indoors.
That's the only state left that doesn't,
Yeah.
that's still requiring it.
So inside, you still gotta put your face diaper on. Whatever.
Yep.
So we gotta push to cross the street. We're gonna wait a minute because it's still counting
Could have
down
went.
from
We
last
should have
time.
went.
Yeah, but we'll wait so we don't have to
I can
rush.
make that 5 seconds.
Oh, I know. Just as a mom, I'm trying to take it easy. I'm not going to race anywhere. Don't want to ruin our trip. For the luau tonight, we have a luau, so we're going to go do that. So we want to be all feeling good for that. But we're going to go over and just see what they have. There's a few, I guess there's a restaurant over here. I'm curious to see, they were telling us about a new taco restaurant, which she hadn't tried, so we couldn't really recommend, but
I think
it's
that
over
Nass.
here.
Oh, I should talk about it.
What?
I'll talk to you later.
You can talk. Right, Ben?
Oh, it's probably not related to the video, so.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
didn't know. I thought she was saying something. But, yeah, this is a little corner street here. I don't know.
Come on.
They're
Ready to
crossing.
go? Okay.
Yeah, it says walk.
Here we go.
Are you kidding me? Yeah.
Oh. What?
Nice space.
Yeah. So again, as you see, this is a slow-paced walk. Somebody, they could probably do it in 5 minutes, like
Yeah.
I said. But if you're walking slow, maybe you got little kids, whatever, it'll take you maybe 10 minutes, still very close. Ooh, look at that one, Ben.
It's a
I like
Porsche.
that car. And look how cute, the yellow.
It's a Carrera.
I see a lot of nice cars around here. Okay, this is the Black Sheep cream. Is this where they were talking about all the ice cream? This is a railroad crossing here. Makes me think they must have a train somewhere.
Yep.
But I haven't seen it.
I've seen it once.
Have you?
Not this trip, but the last trip.
Oh, there's the
Ice
vintage
cream.
coffee.
I don't want to get anything here. Where's the other store?
You have to go up here.
You gotta go up this way.
You do have to walk through all these to get to it.
Yeah, just follow Ben.
No,
He
the
knows where
ABC
it's
store
going.
doesn't
Okay,
magically
I'll follow.
appear.
He knows where he's
It's just, you have to walk up to it.
Coffee smells wonderful. They have a little tables and chairs to sit and have coffee. Oh, it's got a kitchen store. Oh, look a few things to learn. That's not ABC Market, but yeah, they do that. Yeah. It's a little shopping market. What's this? Plantations, another store. Yeah. Yeah, we need our masks. Like I said, it's required inside. So we gotta